Mapa-Pilipino man o mapabanyaga, parang ika nga'y rockstar ang touring sa ating pambansang kamaong si Manny Pacquiao sa Australia. May sagot din ang Team Pacquiao sa plano raw ni Jeff Horn na mag-aalawan Marquez siya para patumbahin ang ating pambansang kamao mula sa Brisbane, Australia. Live din po ito. Napagtutok na ito si Tony Sison. Tony?
Yes, Mike. 5 araw na nga lang bago ang tinaguriang Battle of Brisbane at habang lumalapit nga ang araw ng laban ay siya namang pagkasabik ng husto ng ilan sa mga boxing fans na masilayan ng kanilang idolong si Manny Pacquiao dito sa Brisbane, Australia. At in fact, tinagurian na nila itong isang legend of boxing.
Mahigit 30 minutos na tumakbo paikot ng City Botanic Gardens si pambansang kamao Manny Pacquiao kanina. Nasa kondisyon na raw si Manny para sa laban niya kay Jeff Horn sa linggo ayon sa kanyang conditioning coach na si Justin Fortune.
He's right there, 99%. We just got to hold him back and maintain where we are and then we'll peak on the day of the fight.
Ang naging pahayag ni Jeff Horn na nais niya ring man-knockout si Pacman sa darating na linggo, tulad daw ng ginawa ni Juan Manuel Marquez kay Manny noon, minaliit lang ng Team Pacman.
Jeff Horn should not be mentioned in the same sentence as Juan Manuel Marquez. Marquez is a legend, a very, very smart, gifted fighter.
Tulad sa Amerika, ang ating pambansang kamao, dinarayo rin ng fans dito sa Australia. Dayuhan man o mga may dugong Pinoy. Ang isang ito bumiyahe pa mula sa New Zealand. Ang ilang Phil Aussie, di rin nag-aksaya ng panahon at gumayak na maaga para makita lang ang kanilang idolo.
People's champion. You know, he's the fighter that everyone wants to look up to.
Yeah, I've been following him for years. Yeah, massive fan. Everything, his speed, his quickness, his aggressiveness, he's the man.
It's just his aggression, how quick he is, the speed of him. He's just a living legend.
Ang dalawang batang ito may bit-bit pang mga boxing gloves para mapapirmahan.
I hope the marker works. Go, Manny!
Nang makatsyempo, agad namang pinaunlakan ni Pacman ang kanilang request for autograph.
It feels happy because you just saw like a superstar.
What about you? What time did you wake up today just to have this sign?
5 o'clock in the morning.
Is it worth it?
Yeah.
Masaya ako dahil sa suporta ng buong sambayan ng Pilipino all over the world. So, thank you.
Ang paghaharap ni Pacquiao at Horn sa tinaguriang Battle of Brisbane magaganap dito naman sa Suncorp Stadium.
May sitting capacity na 52,500 ang Suncorp Stadium. Ito ay pinagawa ng Queensland Government at noon ngang 2003, muli itong inayos at pinaglaanan ng $290 million na pondo para ito ay maging isang world-class stadium.
Right now we've sold about 46,000 tickets and capacity is normally 52,000, but it's been boosted up to 55,000. So we've got about 9,000 tickets left, and ticket sales are improving every single day. So I'm hoping we're going to go over 50,000 people, and it's going to be a massive event here at Suncorp. The drawing power of Manny Pacquiao is nothing short of amazing. We're very, very pleased to have him here, and are looking forward to a wonderful fight.
Pagdating naman ng betting odds, liyamado pa rin si Pacman kesa kay Horn.
I think Manny's at about $1.20, and Jeff Horn's at about $4. So, you know, Manny's a very red-hot favourite, but a lot of Australians are putting their money on Jeff Horn.
Sa tala, Mike, inaasahan na magtutuloy-tuloy pa rin nga ang light trading ng ating pambansang kamao hanggang Huwebes. At pagsapit naman ng Biyernes ay siya namang magiging rest day ng ating pambansang kamao bago naman sumapit ang weigh-in sa Sabado. At syempre pa, ang pinakakaabangan ng lahat sa July 2nd sa linggo, ang labanan ng dalawang magaling na boksingero. At mula po dito sa Brisbane, Australia, ako po si Connie Sison, nakatutok 24 oras.
Maraming salamat, Connie Sison.